good afternoon to all dear my students. Welcome to our school Suman Ramesh Tulsiani International School Kamchet. Today's our subject is EVS part 2. Our class is 4th and chapter number 6, the Oath of Swarajya. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home, taking care of yourself and your family. So in the lecture previous we have studied about the Oath of Swarajya. In that we have seen about the Raireshwar temple, then fairy eloquence of young Shivaji, what the speech has shared Shivaji with his playmates and with his classmates. So let us start the new point of the same chapter, the Oath of Swarajya. Shivaji got fresh inspiration from their words. Looking at each one of them, he said, "Friends, our path is clear." So he has got that fresh inspiration from their words. From his friends' words, he got a fresh inspiration. Looking at each one of them, he said, "Friends, our path is clear now. We have to do something. We shall to strive to attain our ideal, work for it till it is achieved." So we need to strive, we need to make great efforts to attain our ideal, to attain our aim, work for it till it is achieved. Whenever it is not going to complete, till that point we have to do work for that, to achieve that aim. All should be ready even to sacrifice their lives for this ideal, which is Hindavi Swarajya. So everyone has ready to fight with spirit. They are ready to sacrifice their lives also to achieve the Hindavi Swarajya. We will have our own Raj, yours and mine and everybody's. So what was the thinking of them? They were thinking about they will get our own Raj, our self country to us and to everybody. Okay, we refuse to live as slaves anymore. We refuse to live as slaves means as a labor anymore. Let us take this oath with the Lord Raireshwar as a witness. So what they have decided, let us take oath, let us give the promise with to each other in front of Raireshwar as a witness. We give ourselves completely to the great task of establishing our Raj, Swaraj. So we will give our own whole things, our lives, by hook and crook. We will achieve our Rajya Swarajya. Next, the temple echoed the words of Shivaji. Echo means the repeating sound has come. God thinks that the kingdom should take shape as a Hindavi Swarajya. We shall see that God wishes fulfilled. So the Maulas left the temple, committed to the oath of freedom of a Swarajya. So after that, Maulas left that temple. They lived from that temple and committed to the oath of freedom of a Swarajya. The mind of Shivaji was filled with great joy. That time Shivaji Maharaj was happy. As soon as he reached Pune, he went straight to Lal Mahal. To see his mother, he described to her all that took place at Raireshwar. So as soon as he reached to Pune, he directly went to the Lal Mahal to see his mother. And he has described all that things about the Raireshwar, what he did, what he has taken the oath, what he has promised to friends. He has shared all that things with the Jijabai. Overjoyed, Jijabai thought with satisfaction that Shivaji would accomplish what was always in her mind. So Jijabai feel great happiness, satisfaction with that Shivaji would accomplish. Shivaji will fulfill what was always in her mind. What was in her mind, Shivaji is going to be complete. For that, Jijabai was satisfied. Now next point is preparation in Mawal valleys. So for that, to achieve the goal, they have started the preparation. They have started doing the plannings in the Mawal valley. Shivaji soon got busy with his new activities. Along with his comrades, he started intensive training in swordmanship, riding, exploring the secret paths in the hills, and getting familiar with the general topography of the land. So, after that, Shivaji got busy with his new activity. He has started arranging so many trainings for their mavlas, for their playmates, like a swordsmanship means to fight with swords, then riding, exploring the secret paths from the hills, and getting familiar with the general topography. Topography means general information, general geography of the lands, its valleys and ghats as possible communication routes. He won over the Mavlas, who became his most devoted follower, willing to lay down their lives for him at any time. Shivaji's enthusiasm increased a thousandfold. Whatever the spirit, whatever the achievement, whatever the hopes has increased by 1,000 times. Shivaji made a detailed survey of the all forts and military establishment in the area. So he has made a survey of the forts, then military establishments in the area. In this, his followers were of a great help to him. In the course of time, he came to know the smallest detail of every establishment, secret pathways, underground routes. In this time, he had tried to get the all details about the secret pathways, secrets, underground routes. Now next is his friends in Mawal. All over 12 Mawlas there were Deshmukhs guarding their individual watans, gifted land in lieu of service. So 12 Mawlas were Deshmukhs guarding individual watan, whatever the watans has given by the Adil Shah Nizam Shah, they were guarding that instead of doing the service, to which they were more attached than anything else. There were constant quarrels between them, leading to useless waste of money and manpower. They were fighting with each other, useless waste of money. Due to that, what is going on? Useless waste of money and useless waste of manpower also. Shivaji saw this waste and decided to put an end to it. So, by observing this, Shivaji has decided to remove all these things. He would visit the Deshmukh in area, talk to them, pursued them to desist from their folly, and raise before them a very attractive picture of the Swaraj of his dreams. So, what Shivaji Maharaj did, Shivaji Maharaj has shared all these things with Deshmukhs and local area peoples, Deshmukhs, and talked with them. He has decided to desist, stop doing that lack of good senses which leads to waste of money and waste of manpower. He thus won many them over to his side. So Shivaji Maharaj has turned their mind, and they become Shivaji Maharaj side. They become over to his side. He used force against those who were abandonment. Those who were strong, he used that force. Shivaji Maharaj used that force to fight against that Deshmukhs or that people. In this way, he stopped the mutual warfare. Whatever the mutual warfare was there, he had stopped that. Everybody was pleased with his happy result, and all started singing. So everyone was happy. Jhunjarrao Maral, Haibatrao Shailmakar, Baji Pasalkar, Vithoji Shitole, Jhede, Paigude, Bandal were some of the Deshmukhs in the Mawal Valley who began to look upon Shivaji as their leader. So everyone, these peoples has started to supporting the Shivaji Maharaj as a leader. The dream of Swaraj was fast approaching the day of fulfillment. So that process has going on fastly to achieve our goal. Shivaji's royal seal. The Jagir was already begun administered in the name of Shivaji. Shahaji Raje had cast a special royal seal for Shivaji. We can say that mudra. So it read as a Pratipancha Lekheva Vardhi Vishnu Vishwavandita Shahasuna Shivasaya Mudra Bhadraya Rajate. This is the our Raja Mudra. The seal will grow in a splendor with like a new moon. It will appear like a new moon. This seal of Shivaji, the son of Shahaji, receiving homage, respect from the whole world, denotes of a welfare of the people. This royal seal in a way foretold the foundation of Swaraj. It is already known the foundation of Swaraj. Next, in those days, most of the royal seals were carved in Persian. In that days, royal seals were designed in the Persian. Shivaji was in Sanskrit. This was a significant change. But Shivaji's Raj Mudra was in Sanskrit. This was a significant change. There could be no Swaraj without your own language and your own religion. Swarajya could not be formed without our own language and our own religion. But at the same time, there should not be hatred for other religion. But at same time, we should not hate other religion also. The seal was guaranteed to all Mawla that Shivaji governed was the welfare of the people. So everyone knows that Shivaji's government will be welfare, will be beneficial for all of the peoples. They were quick to grasp this point. They were hold to this point. So here we are stopping now. Thank you so much. I hope you understood everything. Take care of yourself. Thank you.